Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off voicemail on your iPhone using two simple methods. Whether you're tired of a full inbox or just don't want callers to leave messages, here's exactly how to do it. Let's start with the first method, which is using an MMI code. This is the easiest and fastest way to disable voicemail on your iPhone. Open the phone app and go to the keypad. Now type this code. #004# and press the call button. You'll see a please wait message on the screen, and after a few moments, a list of settings will appear, showing that certain call forwarding features have been deactivated. Once that's done, tap Dismiss to close the screen. Now keep in mind that not all mobile carriers support this feature. It usually works for postpaid users, but not always for prepaid or pay-as-you-go plans. Also, even if your phone says setting deactivation succeeded, it doesn't guarantee voicemail is turned off. To confirm, just call your own number from another phone. If the call keeps ringing and doesn't go to voicemail, then it worked. If you ever want to turn voicemail back on, just dial *004# and press call to reactivate it. Now, if this method doesn't work for your carrier, you can still turn off voicemail by contacting your mobile network provider directly. Call their customer support or use their official app or website and ask them to disable voicemail on your line. They can usually do it instantly from their end. But here's something else you might want to consider instead of disabling voicemail completely: Apple's live voicemail feature. If you're running iOS 17 or later, you can use this feature to see real-time text transcripts of voicemails as they're being recorded. To turn it on, open Settings, scroll down to Phone, and tap Live Voicemail. Then toggle it on. If you're using iOS 18, go to Settings, Apps, Phone, Live Voicemail, and switch it on there. With live voicemail, you can read what someone's saying before deciding to pick up. Kind of like old school answering machines, but smarter. It makes managing your calls way easier without needing to fully disable voicemail. So that's how you can turn off voicemail on iPhone or switch to live voicemail if you prefer more control. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and drop a comment if you want me to cover more iOS tricks.